How to identify signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which is a clear indication of their happiness and excitement. However, what happens if your furry friend injures their tail? Just like any other part of their body, a dog's tail is susceptible to injuries, including fractures or breaks. In this video, we will discuss how to recognize the signs of a broken tail in dogs, specifically focusing on injuries that occur in the middle or tip. Understanding these signs can help you provide the necessary care and seek veterinary assistance promptly. 1. Understanding dog tail anatomy. Before delving into the signs of a broken tail, it is important to have a basic understanding of the dog's tail anatomy. A dog's tail is an extension of their spine and consists of several small bones called vertebrae. These vertebrae are interconnected by muscles, nerves, and blood vessels, allowing the tail to move flexibly. The unique anatomy of a dog's tail makes it prone to injuries, especially if subjected to trauma or accidents. 2. Physical signs of a broken tail. When a dog injures its tail, there are several physical signs to look out for. One of the most obvious signs is a change in the tail's position or posture. A normally wagging tail may droop, appear limp, or may be held in an abnormal position. In cases where the tail is broken in the middle, you may notice a kink or a visible deviation in the tail shape. Additionally, swelling or bruising around the injured area can also be observed. It is important to note that these signs may vary depending on the severity and location of the fracture. 3. Behavioral signs of a broken tail. Apart from physical signs, behavioral changes can also indicate a dog's tail injury. Dogs with a broken tail may show signs of discomfort, pain, or agitation. They may become more irritable, reluctant to move, or avoid activities that involve tail movement, such as playing or greeting other dogs. Some dogs may even become more aggressive or defensive when their injured tail is touched. These behavioral changes are the dog's way of communicating their distress and seeking relief. 4. Diagnostic procedures. To confirm the presence of a broken tail, it is crucial to seek professional veterinary care. Your veterinarian will perform a thorough physical examination and may request additional diagnostic procedures. X-rays are the most commonly used tool to assess fractures or breaks in the tail bones. X-rays can help determine the exact location and severity of the injury, which can guide the treatment plan. 5. Treatment options for a broken tail. The treatment options for a broken tail can vary depending on the severity and location of the injury. In some cases, the dog may only require pain management and rest to allow natural healing. However, in more severe cases, where the fracture is complicated or involves multiple vertebrae, surgical intervention may be necessary. Surgery may involve stabilizing the bones with pins, wires, or plates to promote proper healing. It is essential to follow the veterinarian's recommendations and provide a conducive environment for the dog's recovery. 6. Preventive measures. Prevention is always better than cure. To minimize the risk of a broken tail, it is important to create a safe environment for your dog. Avoid placing heavy objects or furniture at the tail's level, as they can accidentally hit or crush the tail. Additionally, be cautious in crowded areas or when playing with other dogs, as rough interactions may lead to tail injuries. Finally, understanding your dog's physical limitations and avoiding activities that put excessive strain on the tail can also help prevent injuries. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of a broken tail in dogs is vital for their well-being and recovery. By understanding the physical and behavioral signs, you can promptly seek veterinary care and provide the necessary treatment. Remember to create a safe environment for your furry friend and take preventive measures to minimize the risk of such injuries. Dogs rely on their tails for communication and balance, so it is crucial to prioritize their tail's health and welfare.